Hi everyone, thank you very much for joining me on my YouTube channel, My Academy. Let me tell you quickly that I launched this YouTube channel to spread awareness about cybersecurity, number one. Number two, I always felt that there should be some platform where we can teach the very basic computer courses to the unprivileged or to those who cannot afford paying for these basic courses. For example, Microsoft Word and Excel and PowerPoint and so on. So I started this channel and this motivated me, and I got a very good response from people like you all. And today I am going to share with you information about a very important cybersecurity certification from ISC Square, which is the largest body of independent body of cybersecurity awareness certifications. These are vendor-less certifications. Now you would be thinking, what is a vendor-less certification? Vendor-less certification is a certification which does not rely or depend on single brand. For example, a Cisco or Juniper or any other brand, for example. So in this certification you learn the overall principles of cybersecurity, and it has more worth than any other certification in the world. So this is a basic certification from ISC Square, which costs you around 200 US dollars. But the way I will tell you, the way I will guide you, it will become absolutely free of cost, because at the moment the body itself, ISC Square, is giving about 1 million people a free certification that is called a certified in cybersecurity. I did it myself a few days back, and I really loved it. The questions are quite tricky. I will tell you exactly how to register for the exam and how to register for the training itself. So the training along with the exam is absolutely free for you. So the $200 will become $0 for you. Wish you very best of luck. So let's go to the video where I will show you how to register for the training, register for the exam. See you.
Hi, students. Let us get started with writing down the steps that we have to follow. Number one, we have to sign up on ISC Square website and create an account. Number two, you should, after signing up and creating an account, you will have to register for the exam that is called CC or certified in cybersecurity. Okay? And then you have to visit another web portal, the exam, um, the test taker portal you have to visit, which is VUE Pearson VUE website. Here you will have to register and book your exam. All right. So these are the three steps that we have to follow. I will tell you step by step. Okay, let's open a browser, any browser that you want. I am using Google Chrome. Come on, Google Chrome. Okay, so you can simply write ISC2 or ISC square and press enter, and you will be taken to the ISC square website by Google. Here you go. So you can see this is ISC square website. I hope you do not have the user account since you are new to this website and this certification. Here you will be able to find many certification and exams and study materials on this website. But first of all, you have to sign in. And in order to sign in, you have to have a username and password which you don't have at the moment. So first of all, you will have to click on sign in, and then you have to click on sign up. Let me show you step by step. Okay, this is the sign in page because you are a new user and you don't have an account yet. So you have to click on sign up. As you click on sign up, there will be a form given to you so that you can fill it up and then sign up, create your account. I will go with my academy as my YouTube channel's account name, my academy, and email is myacademy1984 at gmail.com. Whatever your personal email ID is, you can register with that. Here you have to create a password. You should create a complex password as always recommended. You should use a special character, a capital letter, a small letter, and this is how you can create a password. I have created a password. I have to click I have read and agreed to the privacy policy. It's always better to click on the policy, read it out completely so that you should be aware of the policies of the body that you are going to follow for the certification. But because it's a time consuming task at the moment, so I'm skipping it. So I will have to click here and here, read the code of ethics. By the way, code of ethics of ISC square is one of the very important topics. You will have to, there are 4 canons in it, 4 big rules to follow. So during your course, you will study about these code of ethics of ISC square, and you will find some questions also in your exam from code of ethics. So this is a very important thing. Remember it. So don't forget to click I am a human because you all are humans. So wait for the next question. And the question is, please click each image that contains a cow. Okay, so this is a cow for me. I don't know, is it a cow or not? Yeah, I think it's a cow. Okay, I found 3 cows. Let's see if I am a human. Oh yeah, I am. There you go. Create an account. Congrats. Congrats. It looks like my internet is showing up. Let me try to log in. Okay, let's close this window. Go back to this website. Let's go again. Click on sign in, and I hope it will work this time. Yes, so I'm already signed in. Okay. Okay, so what we wrote in our Word document as a task is that sign up on ISC Square website and create an account. Okay, so we have created an account. You can mention done. Okay. And register for the CC exam, Certified in Cybersecurity. So we have to register for an exam. Get started. Free exam and training. 1 million certified in cybersecurity. You will find it here. So this is the program. You have to create an account. If you already have an account, then you have to sign in. We are already signed in. Complete your candidate application form. So we will have to get started from here. You have to complete the application form. Okay, I will have to fill it up completely. Write it down. All the required fields. Mailing country, United Arab Emirates, or any country that you want to select. Mailing address, you have to leave it blank. This is your country code, and then you have to mention your phone number. Don't forget to click here and then this small arrow so that it should be added in your selected certification of interest area. After that, you have to tell them how did you hear about ISC Square candidate program. You should tell them that you heard from me, but my name is not there, so you have to click anything. ISC Square email. Are you a member of an ISC Square chapter? At the moment, no. Click next. Okay, so next, page number 2 of 3, work status. You are employed, student, or whatever. You have to click student, for example. You have to mention your, it should ask for a, for example, employer, or this is asking a work status. Let me click on employed. It will ask me, okay, if I click on employed, you see the employer and the job and the industry details are mandatory. But if I click on student, these first 3 fields are not important. So you can mention here UWL rack, and you can mention here your highest level of education completed. What is your major area of study? So you can mention whatever you are studying at the moment. Click next. And here you have to click on demographic information. You can see that these buttons are dim. So in order to make them active, you have to click on 1, 2, and then it will be active. So first of all, you have to click on the privacy policy. As soon as you click on the privacy policy, you go back on the same page and you see that another checkbox has become active. So in order to make these 2 buttons, these 2 radio buttons active, you have to click on I confirm that I only have 1 account here. So you have to click here, account policy, and you can check this. And if you click on submit, you will not be able to, because it says please read the demographic data statement before proceeding. So demographic data statement is here. You have to click on this. This is the demographic data statement, and then you can see that these 2 buttons are enabled. As you click on accept, they will ask you your age range. So you can mention anything, whatever your age range is. You have to mention your ethnicity, whatever you want to mention, you can mention here. As I come from Pakistan, I will mention South Asian. What is your race? Prefer not to answer. To which gender you mostly identify yourself. Okay, it's male or female or whatever you want to mention. Please select your pronouns, his or her, whatever. And then preferred language is English. Do you identify as a member of the following groups? The many groups, you can simply click on none and then click on submit. So you have registered for the certified in cybersecurity exam, not for the exam but for the training. See, free access official ISC Square online self-paced training for certified in cybersecurity. You can access it from here. And then here is the exam for registration to take the certified in cybersecurity exam. You have to click here. So let's get access to the training. This is official training and it's absolutely free for you. I will tell you how it will become free. There is a exam and the training voucher code I will share with you, and then you can use that code. Okay, so you have to click on English language. So this is your shopping cart. There is no fee for this. You have to click on checkout. Here you go. You can simply fill up the mandatory fields. Then at the end, you can click on I agree and click on proceed. As soon as you click on proceed, you will get a message saying thank you for your payment, although you have not paid even a single fills or penny, but you still are being said thank you for your payment. So this is the task number 2 completed. Okay, if you see here, it says training access details, online training, and then you have to click here to access the training now. Good luck. We are rooting for you. Click here and it will take you to the training page. So this is a intro, a demo. You can just simply play it and have a look what they want to tell you. It's good to have a look at the demo.
Welcome to ISC Squared Learn. In this brief tutorial video, you will discover how to navigate the LMS, locate your courses, and find help if needed.
I'm closing it for now so that I can skip it and go further. Okay, so here is your official ISC Squared certified in cybersecurity CC self-paced training. Click on it. It will take you to the next page where there will be videos that you can play. This is the introduction slide or video, and here is the chapter 1, security principles. There are 5 major domains which are covered under certified in cybersecurity certification and exam. Number 1 is security principles. Second one is incident response and business continuity and disaster recovery concepts. And then number 3 is access control concepts. And chapter number 4 is network security, and chapter number 5 is about security operations. And at the end, there is course conclusion and the glossary at the end. So as soon as you will complete these courses, you will see your progress here and you will earn your badges. So here we have completed the task number 2. So both these tasks are on ISC Square's website. Signing up and creating an account and then registering for an exam on the same website. So we have done this. Now this is where you will prepare for the exam. Where an important question is that where you have to go and take the exam. Can you take this exam at your home or in the university? No, you have to go to a proper VUE Pearson testing center and you will have to take the test over there. And now I will tell you how you can book for your exam. Go to the Pearson VUE website, click here. Okay, on the first page, do not get confused because you will not see the name of ISC Square here. Pearson VUE is a platform for examination for different certification bodies, and ISC Square is one of them. So you will have to type here ISC2, and you can find this here. Click on it and it will take you to the next screen where you will be able to register for your exam. Yeah. Now here you can see there's a button saying click here to register for exam. You have to click here, and on the next page again you will have to fill up a form. All the mandatory fields are supposed to be filled up again because we have filled it up already. So here we have to mention the employer. Let's say mention simply the same as I am mentioning here. Date of birth is very important. You have to mention your date of birth clearly. For example, let's say 1st May 1984, anything. Again, South Asian is my ethnicity. Primary language, select an option. For example, Hindi. Secondary language is, okay, let's say primary language is English and secondary language is Hindi, for example. Educational training program, you must select this option here. You will have to select ISC direct, and in the next phase, highest level of education obtained, college or university, we have mentioned it. Certification needed for a job, yes. Are you applying to become an associate? Yes. Okay, and then you have to agree to the terms and conditions. Click submit. Okay, address type is let's say home work address. Click submit. Okay, so your contact details are updated successfully. So let me add here that the testing center is a physical and geographical location where you have to go and take your exam. Okay, here is view exams. You can see certified in cybersecurity. Click on it. Select your preferred language to take an exam in. I would go for English. Click next. Again, click next. Agree to the policies, procedures, terms and conditions. Click agree and go to the next screen. Now here you have to select the testing center. For example, you can see the name of the testing center, Vince's Information Technology Consultancy, City Tower 2, Sheikh Zayed Road, next to the Emirates Tower Metro Station, Dubai. This is another testing center, which is Dubai. Again in Dubai. This is in Sharjah, American University in Sharjah, for example. I select any one of these. Let's say the exam preparation and testing house. Let me click this and then click next. Okay, so these are the available dates for me to take my exam. I want to keep a buffer of at least 1 or 2 months. I would suggest to keep at least 3 months grace period for yourself to get prepared for the exam well, so that to make sure that you should not lose this opportunity of free exam and you should not fail the exam. And I'm 100% sure that you will be able to do it. Let's say May, June, and July. Let's say August. So, okay, so Sundays are also available. It is a very good thing that you can take the exam on the weekend over the weekend. So, for example, I book it for 6th of August. Here you go. I have booked it for 6th of August. Here is my exam. Book this appointment. Okay. Okay, this appointment is booked. You can see the price is 199 US dollars. I will tell you how to make it a $0. So including tax, it is 208.95 US dollars. Let's proceed to check out, and on the next screen we will enter the voucher code. So here, add voucher or promo code if you have. So we'll add a code here. I have saved the voucher code for you in my Word file. Let me take you there. So I kept it ready here. I will mention this voucher code in the video description also. Copy it and take it to the voucher code field, paste it and apply. As soon as you will apply the code, you will see that the $199 will become 0 US dollars. Congratulations to everyone. Let's click on next. As you click on next, you will find the final screen of the order where you can see the total amount, which is 0 US dollars. So this is a 100% off for the CC exam, as I mentioned earlier. So you have to click on submit order. There you go. This is the final screen where your order is completed and you have registered for the exam. Here is the detail. Go back and return to the main dashboard. You can see that this is your order number, you are booked, and here is your Sunday, August 6, 2023 is your exam. Best of luck to everyone, and I hope you will be able to pass the exam. One more thing I wanted to tell you, during this training session, which you have registered for in the earlier steps, you will be able to find the registration as well as the practice exams on the ISC Square website. When you will log into the website and you will complete your training, at the end of the training, you will find the training exam also, a test exam you will find over there. So if you want to prepare well for it, I would suggest you to purchase the exam questions on from Udemy. I will take you to Udemy. Here at udemy.com, and I will, because I have a Udemy account as well, I will log into it. I have purchased already. So here you can write CC exam questions. CC stands for Certified in Cybersecurity. So if you are not able to find it, you can simply say we're not able to find it here. Maybe it's no more available, but I have those in my account. Show you how it looks like so that you can purchase those practice exam questions. Here you go. IC Square Certified in Cybersecurity Practice Exam. So at the moment it's $16.99. You will have to create a Udemy account and then you can log into it and purchase this ISC Square Certified in Cybersecurity Practice Exam. It will give you 200 sample questions, and each pair of questions will give you a very good practice. If I go to my learning, I have already purchased this, so I will show you how the questions look like. Here it is. So Udemy is a very good platform where you can purchase your professional courses at a very discounted price. You can see here I attempted myself. I failed for the first time on this date, and then I re-attempted and I passed, and again I passed. Okay, so let's have a look at it. If I say retake test, begin test, and I will show you how the tests look like. So question number one, which of these is not an attack against an IP network? Man in the middle attack, side channel attack, fragmented packet attack, or oversized packet attack? So what is your answer? I mean, for me, it is this. So you will have to keep on going next, 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 and next, and you will have to complete your 100 questions. At the end, you will find the result as you saw for me in the previous screen. So this is where you can buy the practice tests. In addition to the practice tests, you will find here on the ISC Square website. I would suggest you to try both of them in order to get ready and prepare well for the exam, to make sure that you should not lose this chance of free attaining a free certification from ISC Square. So guys, this is all for this video. I don't want to extend it more. Thank you very much. I would like every one of you to subscribe to this channel, and as I mentioned earlier, that this is a channel for the welfare of the students, and for the welfare of those, especially those people who cannot afford computer education, who don't earn much, and people who live in remote areas of the Indian subcontinent, especially, who cannot afford, and especially the ladies who cannot afford and who cannot go out of their homes to attend the computer sciences courses and to learn computers, and they want to learn it. So I would request all of you to spread this message to everyone, because generally, normally I teach in Urdu, Hindi in my on my channel, so that the average people, the unprivileged, should understand easily, and I should be able to bring some good in their lives. This will really help them to enjoy their lives. Thank you very much. Enjoy yourself, and wish you very good luck for the exam. Thank you very much. Bye bye.